this video, we will show you how to add video to Google Presentation or Google Slides. To add video on Google Presentation or Google Slides, please create a slide. And to insert a video, you can just click Insert and click Video. In here, to insert a video on Google Slides, you can by YouTube URL or your Google Drive account. For example, in here, I have one video and then want to upload on my Google Drive. But before that, we do with YouTube first. For example, we have a YouTube video like this. We can right click on video and copy link address. Then you can put by URL here. Okay. Then paste your YouTube URL like this. And click select. After that, your video will appear look like this. And the number second, we can place the video on Google Presentation or Google Slides with our Google Drive account. To do that, we need just to go our drive.google.com and prepare our video. Okay. In here, we have our video for sample. The extension supported is MP4. We suggest you to using MP4 extension because mostly the MP4 video extension is support on web browser. After your video is uploaded successfully like this, you can click again on Insert and click Video and select Google Drive in here. Okay, you have one video because you already upload in Google Drive. Okay, then the video will appear look like this. This is from YouTube video and this is from Google Drive. On Google Drive need times. It's depend on your video size, of course. Try to reload our presentation. Okay, you can see there the video is still processing and you can try again in a few minutes. After your video is complete for processing, your video on Google Slides or Google Presentation will already to play. And on YouTube, it's automatically can play like this because it's already processing on YouTube. Okay. You need to wait for Google Drive. Hope this video helpful for you.